to our video. In this video we will learn about how to make a theme option for our dashboard, and we will make that by a framework. Theme option is the most important feature of our WordPress theme. uh, by many framework we can make our theme option, but we will like to use Redux because it is easy and it is user friendly also. Okay, at first we have to download our Redux framework from GitHub. We will download it from GitHub. We will download zip, and then we will open this. We will copy all file, and then we will paste it in our theme directory. We will make a folder named OPT. OPT means options, and then we will paste it here. Okay, uh, we are able to successfully add Redux framework in our theme directory. Okay, let's click on Redux core file, and then we will see a framework.php file, and if we click on sample file, then we will see a sample-config.php file. We need to connect this file with our website, so this files is for backend, so we should connect it with our functions.php file. Let's go functions.php file and connect it. We know in PHP connecting someone include option is used, so include, we keep it opt folder, then Redux core. Look about the spelling. Redux core, R and C are big alphabet, and then framework.php, and we have to include in simple. I want to change the name of this. I want to set this our config, Redux config, our config dot php. It's situated in opt folder in sample and named as our config.php. If we now reload our dashboard, we will see what we will see. Let's see. We will see a sample options has added here, and it has many subsection. We want to take it in appearance, and we want to edit it. We want to change this name, we want to change this subsections. Okay, let's click on it. We see here many sections has appeared, subsections and adds. We want to remove all sections and subsections, adds everywhere, everything, because we want to make only those sections and subsections which is needed in our theme. So let's remove everything. For that we have to go our config.php page, open it in Sublime Text 3, and then I like to introduce this is called as section. Every section, this is section. This is called as subsection, which is stayed under a main section. Then it is called as field, which is stayed in subsections or sections, in which we will edit or we will set up contents for our website. Okay, let's see it. At first I want to move it into appearance file, so let's find out the set argument part. See, here is set argument, then here is menu type. If we make it submenu and if we save that, then if we reload our website, then we will see these theme options is moved, these sample options or theme options has moved in appearance menu. So now we can change the theme option as a main menu or a sub menu. Then look, the level of this theme option is looking sample options, so we have to change it. We have to rename it as theme options. So go in editor and find out the menu title and page title. See, menu title. We will set theme options or theme editor. I would like to set theme editor and page title. We have changed menu title and change page title, and it will save now. And if we will reload our website now, then look, theme editor, oh, theme editor already exists here, so I should change the name theme design, theme design. And if we reload now, see, the theme options or the theme designed label has changed, and also here this is page title and this is menu title. Okay, now we will like this sections, subsections, ads and everything. So we have to turn it false, we have to turn it false, we have to turn it false. return it false. False, false. Without use cdn, we make every true to false. And I want to save this and reload our dashboard now. See, the ads is not showing now. The ads is not showing now, and many things has gone. Now I want to remove all of this just because I want to make this as per my requirements. So we have to remove section, subsection and field. Go in editor and find the section, start section, select everything. Deleting is more amazing work in this world. In section, look, in section we will select to here and then we will delete that. All section has indeed deleted, and now if we reload our dashboard, then we will see everything is blank. See, everything is blank. I want to change the help. I want to remove it. So help tabs, I will remove it. I want to remove the comments. It is irritating. And if we reload our dashboard, the help bar is gone and everything is gone. We will learn now how to add sections, subsection and field. Next video we will learn that. Thank you and thanks for watching this video.